Hi everyone. Finally, after so long, the November security patch for the Nokia 8.1 has been out to the public, and it has come with a size of over 8 MB, and it might vary based on device you are using. For my Nokia 8.1, it is almost 8.87 MB, as you can see. I have not installed yet, so I will install. After that, we will see what are the new things we are getting in this update. I don't think we have got any new features in this update, as nothing has mentioned here. This is just a security update from Google, which Nokia is directly pushing to the Nokia 8.1, as you can see here. So let's quickly install this update, then we will see if any new changes have come for this update. Now it is applying update. So finally for me, the security update has been installed and it is asking to restart now. So uh, if you are also installing, then after this installation is done, you have to restart your mobile phone once. Let me restart now. Now I have updated the November security update for this Nokia 8.1, and if you see here, it is running on top of Android 10, and the security update is of for November 2020. Now if I talk about the update, in this update we did not get any new features, and Google says in this November update they have improved the overall system stability and the performance. And as I am using from past 1 or 2 hours, I can see the navigation is smooth and fluid, and I did not face any lag or hiccup while using. So friends, if you have not updated this November security patch update for your Nokia 8.1, then definitely you should go and update your Nokia 8.1, and don't expect any new feature, as this is the same Android 10 version which is running in this Nokia 8.1. And now if I talk about the Android 11 update, then as per Nokia's roadmap, by end of 2020 we should be getting the Android 11 update for this Nokia 8.1, and this is almost end of November. So I'm assuming that this could be the last update for Android 10 security patch. And if we are getting the next update, then the next update would be the Android 11 public build we might get for this Nokia 8.1 and Nokia 5.3, right? So wait for that, wait for the Android 11, and comment down below if you are also excited for the Android 11 for your Nokia 8.1. Now the camera performance in this update is fine. As you can see, the shutter speed is good and it does not lag at all. This is the stock camera app I'm using. And if I talk about the Gcam mode, then the Gcam also works fine. As you can see, this is the Apple Pencil, and it is with the OnePlus Bullet Z headphone. Let's take a quick picture, and you can see even in the Google camera, shutter speed is faster and it does not lag at all. And if I talk about the battery, then yeah, I've been using this from past 1 or 2 hours,
So I would say the overall battery backup is good and it will get you through a day without any issue.
If you really enjoy, then give a like. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, then hit the subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.